Hi everyone, this is a rather unusual tutorial because we are going to talk about the situation when using Advanced ETL Processor is actually not necessary. As you're probably aware, it can do a lot. You can copy data, transform data, you can schedule it, you can run very complex workflows. But in some cases, if it is just once off, we have a better tools. For example, if you want to export the data from a single table into text file or Excel, you can use our database browser. I've already downloaded it. Let me install it and show you how to work with it. Installation is rather easy. You just follow the wizard. Here we have it. Let's close it. So next step, what we need to do, we need to create a new connection. In this particular example, we are using SQLite. Give it a name. Select the database. Click OK. Connection is created. So when we click on the connection name, we can see the table names. And if we want to export into Excel, we can do it with one click, just by pressing this button. And here we have the data. One other alternative, we can export data into CSV format, tab, Excel, in HTML, is what we want. We can also import it using import wizard. The wizard explains how it works. So it's very important to read the first page. So we need to make sure that we have same number of columns, same fields order, same format for date and number fields, and no currency signs. And it will just work. So the wizard allows us to import data from Excel. As you can see, that's rather easy, and we recommend using this tool when it is just once off, so there is no need to automate anything. It also works with SQL Server, Oracle, IDBC connections, and some other databases, even BD. Alright, I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you have any questions, please go to our support forum as them there. And of course, please like and subscribe. Thank you, bye.